Hi everyone, now let's talk about how to pass multiple inputs from the user using separator. So we have seen how to pass values without separator. Now we can use, in this session we are going to learn about how to pass multiple input values from the user using separator. Now let us understand. As we know, a equal to 100, then print of a. This is called hard coding value. To overcome this problem, then we are using input built-in function. Now how we can pass more than one value using this input built-in function? Now understand here, x comma y comma z. Then you can take input built-in function, then you need to pass, enter the required values. So whatever you take, okay, not only number, whatever you take, then you need to use split function, split, and then you need to use here print of, then you can say x value is, then x, then you can say here y value is, then you can say z value is, then like this. So when we execute now, it is asking values like 300, 500 and 700. Execute. So now this is passing values or input values to the program. Now what we need to understand here exactly, in this way, here this is called separator, okay, but here in split function we are not using any separator. This is without separator. This is without separator. Now how we can use with separator? Now we can say with separator in the sense, inside split function we need to pass separator. Now I am using separator comma, okay. In runtime you need to pass in between this comma. Let us understand here, then execute here. Now here I am just taking 300, 500 and then 700, then execute. So like this we can get output. Now what we need to understand here, when we are executing these values, sometimes you can get separator with @ symbol, like you can say anything. Now execute. Now in runtime, if you accept, if you have, you no need to use comma. Now you need to use @ symbol, so it will separate the value by taking this. So but it will not change because it is a print statement, it is constant. In the separator, in the runtime, it will separate the value and it will give as per the requirement. Now understand one more example here. Name, salary and then bonus equal to input of, enter the details. Same example. Now let's see here, split function I'm just taking, then you can say here comma, I'm separator, I'm using comma here. Then what you need to do here, then print of, or you can say employee name is, then print of, then you can see employee salary is, then you can say print of employee bonus. Then now understand here, then execute. So you need to pass values like this. John, then comma is the separator we are using, and then salary will be 60,000 and then 4,000 will be the bonus. So this is how, okay, we need to pass here variables. Okay, name, salary, and then bonus. Execute and give like this. John, then comma is the separator, 60,000 and then 4,000 will be this. So like this we need to give multiple values at runtime using input function. Now you can take it here also, you can take it at the rate whatever you want to separate. Then same thing, you take John at the rate and then 60,000 at the rate, and then whatever the separator you are using, then use in at runtime to separate the values. That's it. So this is all about how to pass values dynamically to the program using input, and this is multiple inputs from the user with separator. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.